is that? Is that a concrete truck?
No, mixer.
A cement mixer?
Cement truck. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh my gosh, look at all those.
Oh, wow, that's a metal truck.
Yeah, they're monster trucks. Can you believe TT sent these?
Is that a
Oh.
monster truck
Oh my goodness.
too? Oh my gosh, look at all those in there.
Oh,
Are those cars? You want to dump them out?
that's it.
Okay, here you go. Dump it out.
Oh my goodness.
Are those all cars that Callan let you?
Should we line them all up and count them?
Okay, let's line them up.
Look at Brodie, look at the camera and say thank you, Callan and Grayson. And what about TT too?
And what about Uncle John?
And Uncle John John. Yay!
Wow.
Cool cars!
There
You
you
want
go.
to spin around, yeah. Yeah. Wow.
Okay, let's go have dinner, Brodie.
What are you going to do with yourself with all these monster trucks? That TT, always holding up to her end of the bargain, huh?
Send her a dirty diaper, Brodie.
Pretty cool, dude. I gotta get his sweatshirt in the mail now for sure. So awesome, bud. Okay, say bye-bye, TT, Grayson, John, Callan. Who else? Who else? TT and Callan? Say bye, TT, bye, Callan.
Bye, Kitty Callan.
Okay. I love you. Say I love you.
Love you.
Good job.